So, hello. Now I'm going to show you how to add new steps into the phone dancing game. So, the first thing you need to do is select the dance that you want to add new steps for. So, we're just doing the test download number 10, just so that we don't overwrite anything. And then we need the create new steps button. This only appears on the website app or in the executable file, the special download file, because we don't want everyone creating steps. Contact us if you need a copy of the download file through the phone dancing website. So we go create new steps. Now you obviously have to be in the mode where you've got both feet showing. And here we say we've got a new step. And there's only one step in it. If you remember from the downloads site in the create your own dance section where you had different codes for the steps, if you put the step code in there and load it, it will load a new step. We'll just start with this one for the moment. And we actually want to start with 0. So the step 0 is where we can actually write in starting stance. You can put in the name of the step here, new test step. So that just appears at the top of the screen, which when the dance is on to say what the step is. And what we can do on this screen is if we move the photo out of the way, now we've got control with the mouse, so the left mouse actually moves it, the right mouse actually selects the numbers here. So if we click on the different ones, that selects the positions here. We're selecting the different feet, and you can see the yellow star highlights that. But I've moved that one out of the way because I want to move. This only appears in step 0, and it's a starting position of the step. So if we do that, and we move that one back, what we can do now when we go to 0, go to 1, is if we press refresh, now that's moved to where we start from because every step, 1, 2, 3, 4, is relative to the last one. So if you move step 1 and you've got 4 steps, step 4 will then be in the new position as well. But we're on step 1, so we can add guidance. Might be rise on your toes. Whoops, toes. It's good to put the video or the website page or whatever extra information you want to a picture, perhaps something here, and then that's what comes up in the program. So if you want to put your own website videos in, that's fine. References are not used at the moment. Count, so it will say use the capital letter. At that point it will say 1 or cha or slow or quick, whatever you type in there, the program will say. And we've also now got time, which I would look at other dances. This is the fastest time for a particular dance because we can slow it down, but we can't increase it in speed. So that's that. Now, once we've done that, we can add a new foot move. And there we go. So we've got step 2 now. We can add the same details in again. But now is where we can move the feet. I'll just drag you. I like to actually put the positions in. You'll see as you move the mouse over the foot, you'll see something appear just here, which is actual positions of it. So that's quite nice for aligning feet. And if you, as I say, if you right click on the mouse, you bring the values up here and it moves it back again. So this is quite a nice way to move the feet around. You can also select whether you want it on the toe, the heel, the flat, or the kick in the air. You can also change the angle. So we might want to make 10 or 100 degrees, or we might just want to scroll it around like this. So therefore we get the angle changes on each one. Now we go back to step 1, step 2. I say it's good to keep refreshing and keep moving to it. Don't save unless you've moved back through the steps because it needs to do that to remember it. And it's good to keep refreshing because then that shows the overall movements. And then put a new name in here, new test, and save. And that's your new step. Now this is the code. We can keep this in an Excel spreadsheet or There's just a text file that contains all the steps with all the descriptions and things in, so it's quite easy to translate if that's what you want to do. And we've got all the codes we need just there. You can copy that, save it in the step file with all the other steps. It will have actually done it on here, but if you want to take it out the program and put it on your website, that's how you actually do it. So you can copy that and paste it somewhere else and save it. Send it to us if you'd like. We'll include it in the game. It's quite easy. That's all you actually have to do.